Hi everyone, it's Kris from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 4-patch block. Now there are 2 different ways you can do this. One is that you would cut up 4 squares and lay them out just like this. Then what you would do is put 2 pieces together, right sides together, and sew along the line. Fold it out and do the same thing on this side and press it out. Now I want to bring these 2 rows together, and the best way to do that is to make sure that the seam allowance goes in one direction on the first row and in the opposite direction on the second row. Now I'll put right sides together and sew right along there. Make sure that your seams are nesting together, one right up against the other. And my 4-patch is complete. Now, if you're making a lot of 4-patch blocks out of the same fabrics, there's another really easy way of doing this, and that is using the strip method. What you do is you'll take the 2 strips of fabric that are in the 4-patch block and sew one long seam right sides together until that is complete. Now that my 2 strips have been sewn together, I'm going to go ahead and take my ruler, and these end up being 3 inches and 3 inches, so I'm going to subcut at 3 inches. And I could keep going all the way down that row, cutting many blocks. Now take a look. We've got those pieces all sewn together. One last seam to go, and that is to go right here, press it out, and once again, you have a beautiful 4-patch block. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for joining us.